importance of a science experiment for kids? Yes, it develops a child's resourcefulness, particularly their skills at goal setting, planning, and problem solving. It also nurtures intellectual curiosity, helping children acquire new ways of asking questions and understanding the world. So let's get started! For this activity, just take a plate, marker, draw whatever you want, utter slowly. Goodness, soft line, floating and there. It's very simple experiment. And do at your home. Have fun with science experiment. This activity, you need cooking oil, few colors. Pour the colors and mix it. Really, it's looking so nice. Take a jar and fill with water and pour the mixing oil with it. For a while, look what you can see. All the colors are coming on the bottom. Do and have fun. For this activity, take a plate and pour with water, drop sand and spread it. Apply sanitizer in your fingers, the sand. But you can see sands are moving back. So that's the way when we put sanitizer, the germs will go away. For this activity, take 5 glasses. And according to video, keep red, blue and yellow colors. Now roll the tissue paper and keep as shown in the video. Look the amazing thing. Plus are walking from one glass to another glass. For this activity, you don't have to spend money. Do you like my video? If you like my video, do share and subscribe my channel. And share with your friends and family. Bye bye. See you in the next video.